Hey everyone! Welcome to Reviews Done. I am excited to review a microscope kit that I recently received, which I plan to give as a Christmas gift to my daughters. I believe this kit is perfect for any curious child as it can help develop an interest in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math subjects. By giving this kind of gift, we can promote the love for these topics in kids, which I adore. Let's take a closer look at this microscope kit. The set includes 52 pieces, and it comes in a container that can help organize the pieces and prevent them from getting lost. The quality of the kit is remarkable, and it even comes with a manual that provides clear instructions. It is essential to read the instructions with the children before using the kit. The kit is easy to use, and it is suitable for children to explore on their own, but adult supervision is always recommended. The quality of the microscope is impressive, and it is made of sturdy metal, which gives it a good weight. The kit includes different tools that come in handy, and they are safe to use, except for one sharp object, which should be handled with care. Overall, I find the quality of the microscope kit impressive, and I love how it can spark a child's curiosity and interest in STEM subjects. The kit also promotes quality time between parents and children, as it requires adult supervision, and the instructions must be read together. This microscope kit is a perfect gift for any curious child who loves to explore and discover new things. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Reviews Done.